And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Stoic for daily reflection. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Stoic for daily reflection, all you gotta do is simply go and log in into your Stoic. Once you are logged in into your Stoic, all you gotta do now is simply start your daily reflection by daily checking it in to log your mood. You can use the app's guidelines for journaling with prompts to explore your thoughts on specific themes like quotes or like personal goals. You can simply find different methods to journal your day in your Stoic. You can simply know your mental health better. You can simply journal and reflect how was your day. And you can have your own AI diary. You can do a gratitude journal, mood tracking, quotes and affirmation, and you can also review past entries in your history. So you can use specific templates like CBT thought dumps or like engage with other features like guided meditation or breathing exercises as part of your daily routine. And this way you can use Stoic app for daily reflection. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.